Tell me everything that I need to know, and don't worry about hiding anything. I've got secrets of my own. I feel your patience wearing thin, and your eyes are burning through my skin. Over and over again, we fuel this senseless battle by fighting hand in hand, hand in hand. I feel your patience wearing thin, and your eyes are burning through my skin. Over and over again, we fuel this senseless battle by fighting hand in hand. We self-destruct, destroy, rebuild, and we start over again. We self-destruct, destroy, rebuild, and we always end up right here. No more, no more, no more, no more, no more, no more. I'm feeling fine like bullets through the air. Communication broke down, let's turn to the same page. We take each step, proceeding with caution. Every word and every note and every song comes from within our heart. Whoa. We take each step, proceeding with caution. Every word and every note and every song comes from within our hearts. Whoa. Torn between a fantasy and possibility, we strive to turn our dreams and crowd our minds into reality. We face each day with failure on our trail, not far behind. Ignoring all rejection, all for what we feel inside. It all comes down to what we want, and we all know the sacrifice. When we comply and pay the price, won't think twice. We take each step, proceeding with caution. Every word and every note and every soul comes from within our hearts. Whoa. We take each step, proceeding with caution. Every word and every note and every soul comes from within our hearts. Whoa. So tell all our family and friends, some cooling times are up ahead. This is the path we choose, poverty. The struggle fuels our will, the drive inside us will determine where our futures plan to go. We push each other harder until we break those boundaries we won't know. It all comes down to what we want. It all comes down to what we want. And maybe we're just running away from growing up too fast. These are the best days of our life. Never every tries to make this last. We Years of ups and downs, for the Grammy capture all but sound. With these fans collecting dust, year by year relations rust. It's my fault, but am I really sorry? Sit down and turn the page to absorb those memories of days when we felt love and not a heartache. I never meant to take your heart and dismantle all the parts. I'm really sorry, and I'm told that I will get what I deserve. The photo album never lies. I've led the torch to our demise, and I know we're fading fast, and I'll always have your photograph.
I kind of like it. I like it a lot. As much as I am a night person, I like the daytime.